for a happy, productive day.
Yes.
Cocok ya sama bawang beruri dimakan sama ayam bakar. What do you want to do? Why you, oh my god, why are you so sweaty and so dirty? Where were you? Where were you? Hey, you were playing outside?
Yeah.
So you want to swim?
Yeah, let's swim.
Okay, go ahead. Put on your bathing suit so you can swim.
These off.
Yes, take everything off. Yes. Hey, hold on. Who did your braid? This is so pretty. Who did your... Kaka Zoe did this to you?
Yeah.
Oh, how cute. Yes, super.
That's the orange.
That is so cute. I loved it.
Thank you.
Did you say thank you to Kaka Zoe?
Well.
Did you? Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, what happened with your eye in here? It looked like it's swollen and it's red.
That's red.
Ay, ay, ay.
You have to wait 10 minutes.
Hey, Zoe,
I want you to check our...
hold on. Do you know what happened with Alex's eye? Look, it's red and swollen. What's going on? Did she fall or something?
Mosquito bite, kind of like, that's a mosquito.
Oh yeah, Papa killed it in the pool. It was on her eye, and Papa was like this. He squished it.
Oh. Alright, I need you guys to put on sunblock.
That's almost the same thing that happened here.
Yeah, put on
I'm not
sunblock.
putting on sunblock.
You have to.
He doesn't want sunblock in his...
Yeah, he can't.
It's fine. It's okay. Put it on.
No, he doesn't want
It's okay. I want you to put on sunblock. You're gonna get burned. You already hurt your skin.
Mama,
Yes.
I still need to open it.
Let's check out Dixon.
And then after that, you check out the cars.
The cars came out real good, Rizal.
Thank you.
And the cars came out good, Zoe.
Berantakan. Ini semua piring-piring kontainer semua taruh sini karena Dixon's lagi working on the kitchen cabinet here.
So this result took us hours to accomplish,
Right.
and hours to wait to dry, and then hours to scrape. Messy as hell.
Yes.
With more mess to pick up.
Right.
This took me about an hour and a half.
This came out good.
Yeah, sanding.
Oh, yeah.
Just the
And it's so
old-fashioned,
smooth.
the old-fashioned sanding. So
That's awesome. That's
Yeah.
faster like that, huh?
started off with a real rough one,
Yes.
and then we'll go smoother and smoother later. And I think I'm gonna go buy one. Oh no, I got another one here that you can help me with. So
Yeah, I'll help you.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I need to go because I need to get
That's fine.
something to eat.
That's
Now
fine.
I'm gonna grill something for you guys.
can you get some Ingalls salmon?
I will.
To get that
I will.
farmer's taste
But
on
I'm
my
not
mouth?
going to do salmon. I have things to
No?
do. I mean, I plan something. Okay, so I'm gonna let them playing in the swimming
Yeah, I'm gonna go with them now. I'm gonna take a break.
swimming pool while I'm doing some errands. So by the time you're done with swimming pool, the lunch will be ready. Good?
We're not gonna swim for that long. Well,
It is.
they will. I
I'll
guess
be
I
back
will.
soon because I'm
Alright,
going
I'm
to
gonna jump
Ingles.
in the pool with them.
I'm going to Ingles.
All right.
Wait, put on sunblock, please.
I did.
We got it. No, there's no sun.
Sudah rapi. Touch up dikit lah ya biar nggak terlalu kelihatan kusam. udah rapi. Sekarang aku mau ke Ingles. Aku mau beli ayam buat makan siang. Ikutin terus ya guys. Si Razel, Zoe, Alex, dan Dixon. Mereka lagi berenang. Astaga, ini deck gua berantakan amat. Astaga naga, berantakan banget guys itu decksnya. Ini si Alex toysnya bertebaran di mana-mana. Holy guacamole! How is it?
Nice, nice and refreshing.
How the water feels like after you put that chemical?
It's good.
It still feel fresh.
We need a stronger pot.
Yeah, definitely, right? But it's like over $100.
Skimmer on it. It doesn't even do like YouTube. In YouTube, you can see the funnel of the water getting pulled in.
Yeah.
That's the generic one. Generic Walmart.
Alright, I'll be back, guys. Have fun.
See you later.
Oke guys, aku mau ngasih tahu ke kalian pohon turmeric, apa namanya turmeric itu kunyit. Nih kunyit nih ponku ya, aku nunggu. Oh my god, aku senangnya bukan kepalang tuh. Ingat nggak waktu itu aku bilang aku nanem ngasal-ngasal, ternyata numbuh. Nah ini juga tuh ini pun kunyit guys. Lagi males banget, harusnya dibersihin nih semuanya biar nggak ini. Nah ini juga, ini pun kunyit. Kemarin itu lagi males-malesan, ternyata beneran numbuh nih. Ada satu lagi numbuh kunyit, satu lagi tuh masih kecil yang itu. Ada lagi sebelah, ada lagi dua pun kunyit lagi di sebelah sana. Yuk kita lihat yuk. Nah ini ada di sini ada 2 tuh pohon kunyit, satu itu, satu lagi mana ya tadi? Oh ini dia. Nah ini udah kegedean ya. Nah ini pun kunyitku guys, aku senang sekali ternyata dia numbuh. Oh my gosh. Ini white wine, Chardonnay dari Belfort, dari sini nih deket, lokal, produk lokal dari Belfort Estate di North Carolina. It's weekend buat nanti malam sama Dixon. Udah sampai rumah, kita cek Dixon lagi ngapain. Ini berisik banget kayaknya. Udah mateng, apa namanya, ayam bakar yang tadi aku masak. Cuma aku nggak sempet ngevlog soalnya udah ribet banget, udah sibuk banget, harus cepet-cepet buru-buru apa namanya istilahnya in makanan Razel, Zoe, anak-anak. So jadi nggak sempet. Nah ini sekarang aku akhirnya udah selesai masak. Aku mau kasih tahu ke kalian ayam bakar yang aku bikin, oke? Ini dia ayam bakarnya guys. Ini piring aku. Aku makannya pakai sambal bawang gurudi yang beli kemarin. Terus ini tadi aku bikin kayak apa, salad atau manisan segala macam lah. Dixon juga doyan banget. And he's eating with his hand. Indonesian style, huh? You eating Indonesian style, baby?
Yeah.
Alex just finished swimming.
For lunch.
And then look at her eye, poor baby girl. Look at Razel, Dixon like a pro.
Grilled chicken with coconut rice. The house is so messy though. Is it good? Mm-hmm.
You wanna try sambal?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
As I haven't taken any medication.
Ay, ay, ay. Yuk, mari kita makan.
Mari kita pergi.
Mari kita makan. Do you know what is makan mean?
Hurry
Makan.
up, eat.
Let's eat. Not hurry up.
Oh yeah. Mari kita, let us.
Mari kita makan. Let's eat.
Mari kita sak. Mari kita sak sekarang.
Cocok ya sama bawang beruri dimakan sama ayam bakar. So good. This is so hungry. I have more rice.
We're buying screen doors today.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. What is it that she found on her garage? Like a
Don't
screen door? Remember
No.
when we were there?
Windows.
Oh, those are windows, not screen doors.
Just windows.
Oh, I cleaned your room yesterday. Just for your information.
Okay.
I mopped the floor. I vacuumed the floor. I haven't got any thank you or anything like that from you.
The chicken is delicious.
But
I love a sweet aftertaste.
I put soy sauce. I mean sweet soy sauce. Zoe berenang seharian. They were swimming all day. They just finished and they are hungry. So now they are having chicken grilled chicken or ayam bakar buatan mami. Cheers for a happy, productive day.
Yes.
I haven't even drunk yet. Oh.
Thank you, Lord.
Look at your face, so red, and your eyes. Swimming all day. You had a good
You
time?
opened your eyes in the pool without the goggles?
Oh, that's not good.
Doesn't look like it. Let me see your eyes, Zoe.
Zoe's eyes are red also.
I
Zoe's
didn't
eyes
use
are
the
not as
goggles.
red as Roselle's.
Not as red as Brazil, yes.
I didn't use the goggles.
But you opened your eyes without the goggles.
So dia
That's
makan,
not good.
mereka lagi makan ayam bakar sama nasi
Why is
uduk.
it not good?
Because there's chemicals
so
in the
tired.
water.
You said we could open her.
No, I didn't. Without goggles? No.
Yeah, Papi put chemical on that pool.
Right? Do you
guy.
remember me telling them they can? I told them the opposite, didn't I?
Yeah, you told them they cannot open their eyes in the in the pool.
And today I didn't change it.
Yeah, it's for every
For
it's
you,
for
when
every
you asked me,
time.
can I open my eyes with my goggles?
With the goggle, it's okay.
In the water.
With
No.
the goggles.
I didn't say that.
You were wearing goggles on your head when you asked me that. Oh.